What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can log in and play multiple accounts in Brawl Stars. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, click on the three bars on the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings. Now from here, tap on your Supercell ID and click on Register Now. So from here, tap on Continue and provide your email address. Now after this, tap on Register and you will receive a code in your email. Now input that code in here and tap on Submit. Now tap on OK and tap on Continue. Now select your avatar and click on Continue. Now after that, if you want to switch account, you can just go to Settings and tap on Supercell ID. Now tap on the cog icon from your profile and you can scroll down and you can see that you can now switch accounts. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.